Mr. Speaker, this job of being a chief whip is very challenging. It's very challenging, my brothers. Please, I ask senators, whenever I bring a motion as a chief whip, I am not bringing it in my personal capacity. I'm bringing it on behalf of my party. And I have taken this position and I'm going to do my task. And therefore, I urge Professor, and I'm happy that you did not take it personal. It has nothing to do with me. It is a pure political party issue. Secondly, I bring to your attention that that meeting in State House was very important. Just try to imagine yourself, you are His Excellency. You call senators, they refuse to come. Thank you. I beg you to support so that we ensure. I beg to reply and urge senators to support this motion so that we uphold the discipline in Jubilee Party and other political parties generally. Thank you.